everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Astha. I hope you all are doing good guys, and as you all know Accenture के interviews चल रहे हैं and most of the candidates, even my subscribers, they have attended the communication test, Accenture communication test. मैंने इसके पहले एक वीडियो शेयर किया था आपसे जिसमें डिटेल्स मैंने आपसे शेयर की थी about the Accenture communication test, how you have to prepare for that and how you have to crack that. All the details I have shared in that video. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है, सभी कैंडिडेट्स को बहुत हेल्प हुई है उस वीडियो से एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस वीडियो विथ यू. दैट इज द एसेंचर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. एज यू ऑल नो, मेरी पहले भी बहुत सी कंपनीज, एमएनसी कंपनीज पर मैंने अपने वीडियोस शेयर किए हैं आपसे अबाउट देयर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स, हाउ यू नीड टू आंसर देम, हाउ यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर देयर इंटरव्यूज, स्पेशली टीसीएस, कॉग्निजेंट, कैपजेमिनी, all the companies. Okay, आप एक पूरी लिस्ट है, complete playlist I have already prepared on my channel. I'll give you link in the description box. Also companies recruitment off campus drives, recruitment interview question and answer की पूरी playlist बनी हुई है. You can go and do watch all that playlist because guys, with Accenture company they have only one round of interview, face-to-face interview. In the same panel they have the HR person also and the technical person also. We're going to discuss which type of questions they're going to ask you during the interview procedure. Okay, and we'll have some overview of Accenture interview, then your resume tips, because with Accenture company you have to be very careful with your resume. Okay, and then what topics you have to prepare, I'm going to share that thing with you. And then Accenture interview questions, I'm going to give you all the questions that may come in the Accenture interview. Okay, then I'll give you some sample answers also, how you have to answer those questions, and then some important tips to crack Accenture interview. I'm going to give you all the tips, all the important tips, so please do watch the video till the end. During Accenture video, they will going to select a candidate on the basis of overall performance. Okay, your performance during your assessment test, your coding test, your communication assessment test, and then finally your face-to-face interview. Along with that, they have a separate weightage for the certifications. Okay, I'm sure most of you must not be aware about this thing, but if you have done good certification courses now and you're mentioning in your CV and you have proper knowledge of all those courses, like especially artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, this type of new technology and good certified and paid courses certification, then you will get benefit of it. Okay, because Accenture company, they have a separate weightage of scores for all the certification courses during the interview. As you all know, this company, they are hiring for two positions. One is 4.5 lakh per annum and the other one is for package of 6 lakhs per annum. Okay, so guys, this things depends and this things decides that whether you are getting the package of 4.5 lakhs per annum or 6 lakhs per annum. Your overall performance during the assessment test and your interview performance, along with that whatever certification courses you are having, Accenture will definitely give you a separate weightage and good score on that. Okay, so you have to prepare accordingly. This thing I have already shared with you in my previous videos when I was sharing the notification of their recruitment. Okay, especially if you belong to the branch CS and IT, then you should have some certification courses with you. And if you belong to other branches, then in that case, if you have basic certification courses like Java, C++, Python, such courses, and if you have knowledge on that, that will also help you out. Okay, so guys, like this. So now we'll discuss about what questions they're going to ask you during the interview. See, the first thing that you have to prepare is your resume. Okay, you have to prepare your resume very nicely guys, because this company, they will going to ask you all the questions based on your resume. Okay, so if you are mentioning anything in your resume, even if you are mentioning programming languages, most of the candidates used to do, they mention all the programming languages that I know Java, I know Python, I know C++. Don't do such things. Okay, if you don't know any particular programming language, please don't mention that thing in your CV. Not only programming language, anything. Okay, if you are mentioning any technical word in your CV that you don't aware about, please don't mention that thing in your CV, because that will give you a bad impression. Even if you're mentioning your hobbies, your likes, your dislikes, whatever you're mentioning in your CV, now have proper knowledge of that. At least have basic knowledge so that you can give the answer. Okay, and one more thing I want to clear here, if you don't know anything, please don't give wrong answers or don't try to manipulate the interviewer. Okay, because those people are more experienced than you. Okay, so they very easily catch this thing that whether you know the particular thing or not. not. Okay, so if you know anything, give the answer confidently with a slight smile on your face, no problem. But if you don't know anything, don't hesitate to say I don't know. Okay, clearly and politely you can tell them that I don't know this thing, sir. I'll check it afterwards. Okay, but resume में अगर आप mention कर रहे हो कोई भी चीज़, okay, कोई भी term आप resume में mention कर रहे हो, तो try to have at least basic knowledge of that thing. Okay, guys, most of the things will going to come from your resume only, so you have to prepare your resume very nicely. Then the second thing that will come here is your project. Okay, now we'll discuss about the project. See, they're going to ask you all the possible questions from your project. अगर आपने project से नहीं बनाया ही, even then you have to gather all the possible informations about your project, at least theoretical part, what is the application, the real life application of your project, what is the use of your project, what is the drawbacks of your project, what is your role in the project. Okay, because they're going to ask you these questions ki what is your role in the project, what you have done. Okay, so you have to explain that thing, so prepare this answer very nicely ki what you have done in your project and what is the basic concept of your project. Okay, किस language पर बना है, किस programming tool को आपने use किया है, difficulties you face during your project work. Okay, so all these things you have to be prepared nicely. Go and Google, guys. Google पर आपको सब मिल जाएगा. Google करो all the possible questions based on projects. Okay, but you should know everything about your project. That is must, because they're going to ask you. Okay, project you have mentioning in your CV also, and they're going to ask you during an interview process also. The next thing is your certification courses. If you are mentioning that you have done any certification courses or internship or any something like assignments or online coding competition you have attended, something like that, if you are mentioning in your CV now, in your skills and other parts, then they're going to definitely ask you about those courses. Okay, so have all the possible information about the certification courses that you have done. If you are mentioning you know artificial intelligence, if you know machine learning, if you know cloud computing, web development, then you should have at least basic knowledge of all those things. Guys, during Accenture interview, they're not going to check you much on your technical skills. Okay, they mostly ask you questions based on your personality, your resume, just to check your confidence level, your communication skills, your knowledge, your subject knowledge. Okay, whatever you have learned during your engineering, they're going to check that thing, whether you have your basic concepts clear or not. Okay, because during interview they're hiring freshers, so they're not going to expect so much from you. They're not going to expect so much technical knowledge from you, but yes, they're going to check whether you have basic concepts clear or not. Okay, so you should have all the basic concepts of your subjects clear. Whatever you have studied during your engineering, they may ask you questions on that. Okay, about your subjects, about your favorite subject. They may ask you what is your favorite programming language, what is your favorite subject, and accordingly they can ask you the questions. Okay, I hope all these things are clear to you, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box, no problem. The next thing is what are the HR questions and the remaining questions they're going to ask you during the interview. I'm sharing some sample questions with you guys. You have to prepare them in advance so that you will be having confidence during the interview. The first question will going to be tell me about yourself, and guys, believe me, this is the jackpot question and you have to answer this question very nicely so that the whole interview will going to be run according to you. Okay, if you want the interview will go according to you, please prepare this question very nicely, answer them with confidence, but note few points here. I'm sharing some points with you. You don't have to stretch this answer. Okay, you have to answer this question within 1 minute. Try to finish your answer within 1 minute. You have to give you a brief introduction about your educational background, your percentage, your college name, your branch. Okay, and then you need to mention your project. If you are very good at your project, if you know details about your project, you have to mention your project. If you are not good at your project, then don't mention that thing. You can mention whatever skills you are very good at. I just want to tell you this thing, just give your brief introduction, your educational background, that is your percentage, and your branch, to which branch you belongs to. Okay, and then you need to give them a brief intro about the skills, about the programming language or project or whatever skills you are very good at. Means जो आप चाहते हो कि इंटरव्यूअर आपसे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करे, ओके, आपको उस टर्म को यहाँ पर हाईलाइट करना है ड्यूरिंग योर इंट्रोडक्शन. If you want, I'll give you a sample answer also. You can just comment me in the comment box. I'll share a next video with you and give you the sample answer of this question. Okay, but please prepare this answer very nicely because this is your first impression, guys, and first impression is the last impression. Okay, and then why should we hire you? This is again a very important question. question and you have to give all your plus points, all your positive things, all your technical knowledge, or if you have done any certificate courses related to the IT industry, okay, that will going to help to the IT industry, that will add in value to your profile. Okay, you have to mention all your skills here and you need to prepare your answer accordingly. What do you know about Accenture, or why you want to join Accenture? Such type of question. This question will again going to come 100% if they like your profile. So please prepare this thing also. Just research about the company, few details, and if you want, I'll share a video with you on that also. But you have to do research also about the Accenture company, their working culture, their salary packages, their projects, their technologies. You can mention there all the plus points about the company. Okay, then about Accenture competitors, they may ask you what do you feel are your main strength. They may ask you about your strength and what will they help you on this job. Okay, what are your main weaknesses, they may ask you. For the next 5 years, what will be your personal and professional goals? Okay, would you be willing to relocate for this position? What are your new skills and how you have acquired them? Okay, then why you want to join Accenture? Again, the same question. So this is the HR questions, guys. These are some HR questions they may ask you during your interview. So please prepare them accordingly. Okay. Then I'm sharing some technical questions with you guys because already this video बहुत बड़ा हो गया है. So I'm sharing few questions with you. But in my next part of this Accenture interview question and answers, I'm going to share a lot of more questions with you guys so that you can prepare them. Okay. For technical questions, they may ask you about difference between C and C++. What is include in a C program? What is dynamic memory allocation? Difference between C, C++, and Java. Simple programs like bubble sort, sum of simple series, inner joins, outer joins. Explain example of both of them. Okay, they may ask you about encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction with their real life examples. Okay, they may ask you to explain runtime polymorphism, what is BCNF, what is OOPS concepts. I hope ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल रहेगा. आई एम श्योर यू गॉट ऑल द पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर Accenture interviews. So all the best from my side, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment box. Okay, I really feel glad to help you all and to solve your doubts. Okay, so please share with me all your doubts, and if you have any video suggestions, please tell me in the comment section. Okay, I'll give you my email ID also in the comment section so that we can easily interact with each other. Okay, and please do subscribe to the channel for such videos, such useful information and latest job updates and notifications. Along with that, in future I'm going to share so many useful videos with you based on your off-campus drives that will help you out to crack your off-campus drives. Okay, so please guys do watch all these videos, all the series that I have already prepared, a complete playlist of company's interview question and answers, along with that off-campus drive details. So please do watch all those videos, and please share this video with all your friends in your WhatsApp groups, in your college groups, so that all can get a benefit from it. I'm sure ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल होगा. एंड अगर लगता है आपको कि यस जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मैंने आपसे शेयर की है वो यूजफुल है, प्लीज हिट दैट लाइक बटन सो दैट मुझे मोटिवेशन मिल सके कि यस वॉट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू गाइज, आई एम गोइंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो प्लीज डू दैट, एंड प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ एज मेनी एज यू कैन.